ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Presiden ke People's Democratic Party uba bantedor lingdo ula ong bagajing penyasok jo ki khat arngut ki MLA ke seng Congress sha ke Trinamool Congress kanam kata AA ke election ke bansa long house nem arajar arpulai hagani ke jilna Meghalaya. Hagajinya keren bat ka Batisi TV uba bantedor uba dairu menteri ke sarkar jilna ula ong hadu mentahi ke jinya kini vote ka longbet hapedeng ki seng riulum bat ka Congress kat kum baka pau ki election baladem.
Right now I don't see any impact, but I don't know in the future, but right now there is no impact for coming up of this new party in the state. Surely it will not affect because I'll tell you, in the last 2-3 election, maybe last 4 election, the vote bank, the vote share to say, we are fighting among us as a regional party, and then who are gaining benefit, gaining more vote? It's a national party, so to say it's Congress, but now all this national party they'll fight amongst them, and who's gaining now? It's changed, na? Regional party. For the last 4 years, as a party, we have working for the betterment of our people of the state, which till now also, party we are not sitting idle. I'll tell you, we have seen so many things we have been done, and right now also the party we are intact, and we are hopefully we will be getting more seat in 2023 election.